Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Tugzer TZ-F1 USB microphone. On the front of the package, we can see an illustration of the product. Over here, we can see that it is a USB Type A interface and the cord length is 2 meters long. On top, we can see the Tugzer branding along with some warranty information on the right. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have the USB noise cancelling, plug and play RGB gaming microphone features, and underneath that we have a few more features as well in the form of some symbols. The first one is a simple plug and play functionality. The next one is a one button on off function, and the next one is a flexible gooseneck. On the right hand side of the package are where a few of the features and details are. So let's go through that as fast as we can. The microphone has a unique RGB rainbow streaming lighting effect. So basically it gives an attractive look, and it is also a noise cancelling unit thanks to its built-in 360-degree omnidirectional microphone array. It also has a sensitivity of minus 58 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 2 decibels. Underneath that, we can see that it has USB plug and play functionality. We have already gone through that. Basically, what that means is that you do not need to install any drivers. Lastly, we have a 360-degree adjustable gooseneck. This as well we have gone through, and here it says that it is an ideal microphone and is suitable for podcasting, YouTube, Twitch, Skype, FaceTime, and gaming. Lastly, underneath all of that, we have some instructions on how the volume of the microphone recording can be adjusted or changed. On the left-hand side of the package, we have a QR code that would lead to the brand's website. There is nothing on the top, and nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back of the package is where some technical specifications are. So let's go through that as fast as we can. The product number, basically the model number, we have already gone through that. It is TZ-F1. Its working voltage of, it has a working voltage of 3 volts, sensitivity minus 38 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels. Interface type is USB. Microphone impedance is 2.2 kilo ohms, frequency response of 30 Hz to 16 kilohertz, line length 2 meters, basically that's the cord length, and we have the black color variant. Over here we have a sticker that has the importing and manufacturing details, and at the bottom we have the details regarding the customer care. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the package, let's see what we get. Here we have some literature in the form of an instruction manual, and this should help you get started with using the product. Getting to the microphone itself, we'll start off with the base. We can see that it is pretty flamboyantly designed and is very gamer-centric. We can see a lot of angles and triangular shapes. Over here, we can see a little bit of a pattern that is geometric, and that same pattern is repeated right underneath the gooseneck. Right in the middle, we have that pattern once again on the button that turns on or off the microphone input. Over here on the base, we can see a strip which is in white, and that is where the LED lights will shine out of. On the bottom, we have a foam base which should keep the microphone base solidly in place, and it should not move around if it is placed on a smooth surface, and it will also protect the surface from getting scratched up because of the placement of the microphone. The gooseneck itself is approximately a little less than a foot long, and as we can see, it is extremely flexible, and you can basically adjust it in a way that is ideal for you and comfortable for you. The microphone unit has some slots right on the top, and there's some designing features around it as well. There's a place where you can hold the microphone to adjust it and perfectly calibrate it. Now getting to the cord, we can see that we have a black color cord. It is round in shape, so hopefully it keeps the cord from tangling up too much. We can also see that it has a USB type A interface, and the interface itself, the module itself, is pretty chunky, so we shouldn't worry about it getting damaged anytime soon. As we mentioned earlier, and as it is mentioned on the box, the cord is approximately 2 meters long, and as we can see here, since the microphone has a plug and play functionality, we do not have to worry about fiddling around with any driver installations. All we need to do is connect the USB type A into its appropriate receptacle on the laptop or on a PC if that is the case for you. The device will detect and install the drivers automatically, and it should be ready to use once it notifies you that the installation is complete. If we turn down the studio lights a bit, we will be able to see the RGB lighting on the base of the microphone. So let's do that now. So now that we have been notified that the device is ready to use, we can simply start using it. And here we can see the RGB lights in its full glory. It goes all around the device except for right here where the cable comes out, and it changes colors and strobes automatically. So this was the unboxing of the Tuxer FZ-F1 USB microphone. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.